Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I will be showing you how to post GIF or GIF on Facebook page. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version. Now first of all, let me remind you that before you post a GIF or GIF on Facebook page, you must have a page on Facebook. Only then you'll be able to post it on Facebook page. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, the interface kind of look like this, and on this following page what you have to do is right on top on the upper right corner there you can see a 3 dash icon or the try bar icon. Just simply tap on it. So on the other page you will land inside the menu page. So next what you have to do is simply tap on pages. So once you tap on page, the interface kind of look like this, and right at the corner there you can see mention. Just tap on it, and under it you can see two different options, that is write post and share photos. Now in order to post GIF, what you have to do is tap on write post. Now as you tap on the write post, now this is what it actually looks like, and right at the bottom there you can see an option called GIF or GIF. Simply tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on GIF, on the other page you can see a list of different options. Now right on top there is a search bar as well. Now there are multiple options, so you can select on any one of these following. Now in order to post it, all you have to do is tap on it. First of all you have to select it, and right on top you can see say something about this GIF. Now in case if you want to add caption, you can even do that as well. And once you're done, what you have to do is simply tap on post, which is right on top. Now here as you can see that the GIF has been posted, and this is how you can post GIF on Facebook page. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.